My name is Mike, and I'm president of a company that creates content for small and medium-sized businesses. I'm using Hippo Video, and I'd give it a 5. If you need more reviews like this, just click below. Before I found Hippo Video, I tried a couple of other similar products that were geared towards personalized videos and some other more general purpose kind of video creation type products. And they just didn't fill the bill. They had some problems with them. I couldn't get them to work as well, and I settled in on Hippo Video. Yeah, I chose Hippo Video. One, it was reasonably priced, which for me was good because I'm a small business and I don't have a lot of money to spend on expensive software. But the other thing that it did, it just made it really easy to create multiple kinds of video. One thing that I really liked is it allowed me to create several different landing pages that connect with the videos that I send, and that was something that most of the other products really didn't have. Yeah, onboarding was a little shaky to begin with, mostly because I didn't realize that that it opened a second browser instance, and I kept trying to look for a response from the program, and it was in the other browser window, and I didn't realize that. Once I figured that out, it was easy. It was a breeze. There's a Chrome plugin that goes with it. Makes it really easy to do the operations. Anyone that's considering using video in their business, which is pretty much everyone, you have to take a look at Hippo Video because it does a lot of things. I use it for personalized videos where I'm just sending a very quick video to one person, and it's getting great response. People are opening those and responding to those kinds of emails. I also use it for training. I use it for to prepare customers for client meetings that I have on a regular basis, and you can not only record yourself on the video, but it does a screen capture also, so you can. It's good for things like demos and illustrating things that that you're trying to talk about. So I would recommend that you take a look at Hippo. There's a lot of things that you get there, and it's pretty well priced and works very well.